TJSP Sahkari Bank expands its southern footprint, opens 160th branch in Yelahanka New Town, Bengaluru. TJSP Sahkari Bank Limited, one of India's leading multi-state cooperative banks, has opened its 160th branch in Yelahanka New Town, Bengaluru, marking another milestone in its journey of cooperative excellence. With this launch, TJSP now operates 4 branches in Bengaluru and 7 across Karnataka. The existing branches are located at Indira Nagar, Rajaji Nagar, Karwar, Hubli, Belgaum, and Bengaluru main branch. Established in 1972 in Thane, Maharashtra, TJSP has grown into a strong financial institution with a network across Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Over the years, the bank has successfully blended traditional cooperative values with modern digital infrastructure, ensuring customer trust and technological advancement go hand in hand. As of March 2025, TJSP recorded a business mix of 23,000 crore rupees and a net profit exceeding 185 crore rupees for FY 2024-25. The bank continues to maintain strong financial health with a focus on the MSME, retail, and consumer segments. Shri Sharad Gangal, Chairman, TJSP Sahkari Bank Limited, said, "We are delighted to expand our footprint in Bengaluru, one of India's fastest-growing economic hubs. This branch reinforces our commitment to serve customers with trust and excellence." Mr. Nikhil Arekar, Managing Director and CEO, TJSP Sahkari Bank Limited, added, "At TJSP, we combine the trust of cooperative values with the efficiency of modern banking. The new Yelahanka New Town branch will meet the evolving needs of individuals and businesses with personalized and digital services."
6.8 and 7.15% for senior citizens. Our targeted customer group is largely middle class, MSME, trading communities, and 35% of our loan portfolio is with medium and small scale enterprises. We believe in relationship banking and have been profit making right from the first year. Our own funds are 1700 crores, out of which only 100 crores is share capital. The rest everything is through accruals or profits for the last 53 years. We try to give loans as early as possible. We work with very challenging turnaround time so that our customer gets best service. We say that service is our driving force. Our customers come to us because of service and have remained with us for the last so many years continuously only because of the kind of relationship we have nurtured over a period of time. Many small customers, we help them in developing their cash flows, making them understand how to invest money, and also small traders, etc. The biggest driving force of our bank is technology. Recently, we introduced the first ATM machine in the country, the first bank, not cooperative, the first bank where there is cardless ATM, where money can be withdrawn and deposited on the basis of a QR code. We were the first cooperative bank to get QR code. We were the first cooperative bank to get UPI. We were the first cooperative bank in Thane city where we are headquartered to bring ATM when even nationalized banks had not brought. Recently, we invested almost 30 crore.
Nano bank products unta personal loan, one of the products where it will be through a digital mode. We are introducing something called LOS. So these terms I am not able to.
Loan originating system.
So in Kannada it's.
That's okay, sir. You can do it in English. No problem.
Yeah. So that is another scheme. So we are also, since we have taken over in Ratnagiri side, so there are some opportunities for the small finances. So we have devised schemes for those things also, and which can be replicated in Karnataka also, like small papad making units where solar energy can be tapped. So for financing those small equipments also we have devised various schemes. So year on year we are trying to add new products to cater to the needs of the customers. So this is what I wanted to add. And of course we have a professional board which has just formed in December. And we all know that cooperative banks, it's very difficult to manage the competition. So the cutting edge can be the faster decisions. So as Chairman Sir said, we take upon ourselves as a board to see that the field is not inconvenienced by committing some dates. So we try to adhere to dates because a customer is willing to pay a little bit more if he is given efficiently a sanction. If we promise in 10 days, if we give in 7 days, which we call it as a customer delight instead of customer satisfaction. So this is something also which we are trying to inculcate in ourselves. And it's not, as he said, the accessibility to the board is there. Any customer can reach to the chairman also, which is not possible in a nationalized bank or a large bank. So these are the advantages, I think, which the customers will try to, they can encash on that. So we will also try to explain to the customers on the reachability, which is very important. Thank you so much.